Welcome to Alaska, America's last great frontier, a land of wide open roads, untouched wilderness, and breathtaking views. Driving through Alaska feels different. The roads stretch endlessly, surrounded by mountains, forests, and rivers that remain largely untouched. Alaska is known for its cold climate, but it's also known for its beauty. Snow-covered peaks, icy lakes, and fresh air define everyday life here. This region is home to some of the most iconic wildlife in North America, including moose, bears, and bald eagles. Despite its wild nature, Alaska has peaceful towns and small cities. Life here moves slower, focused on community, resilience, and respect for nature. On clear nights, the sky comes alive. The northern lights dance across the darkness, creating a natural light show found in few places on Earth. Every road in Alaska tells a story. A journey here isn't just about reaching a destination, it's about the experience along the way. Alaska reminds us how powerful nature can be, a place where silence, beauty, and freedom still exist.